YouTube was good job. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism when we talk real tech. Guys, hey, we in Calgary. Look at our background, you feel me? We're gonna unbox the Beats pill right here. The red, in red, you know what I'm saying? We went to Apple of Techrific, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna unbox this and see if this is certified real tech. Before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. All right, YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into the Beats pill. All right, so this is the pill right here, as you guys can see. It's in red. Okay, let's check out the specs real quick. It says right here that there's a wireless, speaker with a USB Type C, powerful sound with dual drivers. Okay, up to 24 hours of battery life, water resistance, IP67 water resistance. All right, you can actually charge your devices with this thing right here, and then amplify and stereo listening modes. So there's different modes in these Beats. All right, so yeah, as you guys can see, we got it from Apple. So there's pull tabs, you feel me? So we're gonna pull it like so. Oh, okay, well that didn't work. YouTube. These pull tabs sometimes are just kind of wow. I really just messed up. That's crazy. All right, so, well, the pull tabs didn't work at YouTube, so we gotta use this pocket knife real quick. All right, open it up. I know it's not the best unboxing out here, but whatever, man. It is what it is. All right, so boom. There you go, as you guys can see. All right, so let's open that up right here, and let's pull out the Beats. All right, so that's how it looks like. Okay, there's like some stuff on top of here, as you guys can see. Is there any manuals in here? Nah, nothing. So just this, I guess. Oh, it's under it. All right, there you go. So this is how the Beats look like. Okay, as you guys can see, if you come a little bit closer, right here is the power button. Right here, pause and play. All right, right here you can skip tracks as well. So you can go forward and back, volume down and volume up. All right, so let's take this off like so, and then boom, there it is. And then there's the USB Type C right here, and yeah, that's basically what's on this Beats. All right, down here, as you guys can see, there's some more manuals right here regarding the pill. If I can take it out, bruh. There you go. There you go, a little manual. We don't read them, so we're just gonna put that to the side. And then right here, the USB Type C charging cable right here. So, boom. All right, Type C to Type C. All right, so that's what comes in the box. All right, so we're gonna have to hook this up to something and see what's up. So right now, the Beats pill is actually connecting to all of our iPhones right here. The camera that Techrific is filming on is connecting to everywhere. You see, that's how good it is. All right, so we got the Beats pill right here. We're gonna click on connect, boom, and you guys are connected. And then it's just loading and loading and loading. It's basically gonna tell you that you're connected. And it gives you a little animation saying that the media control and the call control is now connected. So we're just gonna skip that real quick. Right now, the Beats pill on my phone is saying at 60%. All right, so we're just gonna click on continue, like so, and then Apple Music, not right now, and then boom, we're basically connected. All right, so we're just gonna play some non-copyright music real quick. So right now, this is as low as it goes, right? This is about midway. All right, so these are pretty loud. This is halfway right now. This is just above halfway. All right, so these are really loud. Okay, we're in a park right now, and people are looking at me. Okay, that's how loud it is. All right. Yeah. All right, this is like almost at the max. And this is maximum. All right. This is halfway. Okay, this is halfway right now. This is just above halfway. And this is full volume. All right. So y'all be the judge of how these are actually really loud. I didn't even like click the volume on here. Okay, I guess it's the same thing. But yeah, you can, control the call, or not the call, but the audio sound up and down. It does the same thing as if I were to play it from my phone. If I were to press on the middle, it should play in theory. Okay? Alright? And I put it down, volume goes down. Alright? Play it up. The volume goes up. Okay? There you go. So yeah, that's how loud it goes. Let's test the cables. We gotta see if it's certified real tech around here. So we're just gonna plug it in to the back, boom, and plug it onto my iPhone right here, like so, boom. And as you guys can see, it charges my phone. Okay, right now my phone is charging at 81%. Okay, and it also charges the beats as well, as you guys can see right here. It's also charging. All right, so what else can we test around here? I'm gonna call half man, half tech, and see if he can hear me through these speakers. All right, so just give me 1 second, real quick. YouTube was good, man.
Yo, man, I'm about to unbox, man.
Oh, he was about to help us. Y'all saw it? Oh, well, we're shooting a video. Hey, he got the Mac Mini. He got the Mac Mini. Yes, sir.
I got the setup ready, man.
Yeah. Hold on. Just give me 1 second.
Check this.
Yeah. Oh, the Mac trackpad?
Yeah.
The Magic trackpad?
And I also scooped up the new Mac Mini.
Oh, nice.
You guys are seeing it before the video, man.
Yeah, no, it's behind the scenes, don't worry.
Behind the scenes of, let me show you. Boom, I got the website right
Yo.
there. Right. I got the top-down video. I got the Elgato XLR.
Yeah.
Down video camera right there.
That's crazy.
Where
But
you guys are?
we're in Calgary Park right now. We're filming a video. I'm unboxing these right now. The Beats Pill. Yeah, and we're just testing the sound right now. Yeah. It's coming out of the Beats Pill. And honestly, it's not loud enough. Like, I'm putting you on full maximum. It's not loud enough. But yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you're like on full maximum right now. It's not, I don't know what's going on. Wait, let me.
So as I talk, my voice is coming from the Beats Pill?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
But it's not loud enough though. Can you wait, is my sound coming from there too? Yeah, it is. Do I sound like clear?
Yeah, to me you sound normal, man. It sounds pretty good.
The microphone is certified.
The microphone is certified then.
Yeah, the microphone is certified real tech.
Yeah, but the volume though, hey, Apple, if you're watching, y'all fix the volume on this. But yeah, that's why I was calling.
Oh, that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, the Mac Mini. We're gonna YouTube. You know what I'm saying?
The video gonna drop.
The video? It might drop tonight. Before sundown.
Before sundown.
Before the sunset.
Work overtime, man.
Yeah. All right, man. I'm gonna leave you. I need to close this video. But yeah, I'll let you grind.
No worries, man. Same to you, man. Peace.
All right. Peace. We just tested the car with half man, half tech. And like he said, I sound clear off of the Beats Pill. However, the sound on the Beats Pill is not loud enough when you connect to FaceTime audio for some reason. So Apple, No hate, but if you're watching, you gotta fix that. All right, YouTube. So yeah, I mean, we can't throw it in the water, but
Is it waterproof?
hey, it's not waterproof, but it's yo.
Google it.
It's not waterproof. It's not waterproof. It's not waterproof. But
Are you sure? Google it. Google it.
no,
Water resistant.
IP67,
Okay.
water resistant. We're going to the water real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're going to the water real quick. Yo, hold on.
We good.
Hold on, let me take my phone real quick. So we're gonna test this in the water a bit, in the lake. So as you guys can see, this is beautiful Calgary. All right. So this is literally some lake. All right. So we gotta see if it's certified real tech. We ain't playing around here. All right. So there you go. So I don't know if y'all can see this. There's some water right here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just do something crazy like this. All right. Let's see if it still works. YouTube, let's see if it still works. All right. So let me play some music real quick. Does it sound warped? No.
Just in the water?
YouTube, it's still working. This is the maximum right now. Hey man, still working. So this might just be certified real tech.
How do they do that?
All right. Hey, you too. This is wet right now. My hands are wet and it's working. We just put it in the lid, guys. So hey, certified real tech. So it is IP67 water resistant. So yeah, YouTube. Hey, y'all be the judge. Is this certified real tech? Hey, in my opinion, yes. We just dipped it in the water and it was still working. All right, YouTube. So that's the video. All right, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. All right, and also subscribe to Tech Rific with his amazing camera skills up in here. And that's the video, YouTube. We out. Peace.